Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in Wix. So let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to this plus right here, which is the add element icon. Or you can also just head over to pages and then new. So from in there, you can click on add page. And then in here on the actual left sidebar, you can see the landing page. So just click on that specific one. And in here, you should be able to see the landing pages that they have right here. So your landing page can be a coming soon page, it can be a lead collection, it can be whatever you want it to be. So for me, I'll just put in landing page for a lead collection. So for this, just click on add page right here, and then this will add landing page on my actual website. So let's just wait for that to finish adding. So as you can see, here is the landing page. It actually has the title of the landing page. So I will not edit that one, and then click on done right here. And in here, you should be able to see in here the landing page that they have. So for example, the landing page that you want to have is book an appointment with me for free or chat with me for free. You can edit this text right here. And then let's put in a text for that specific name. Chat with me. So in here, you can actually just edit it out depending on what you want. And then from in there, you can also just choose to add things in here in order to let buyers fill up this specific form right here. So once people fill up this form, you will have their first name, last name, email, and messages right here. And you can use that to collect their leads and then add them on your email marketing. So by providing an actual service for a short time, or by providing a product or a digital product or an online appointment, you should be able to create an effective lead magnet for your landing page. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add a landing page on your website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!